friends, I'm Sangeeta. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about another new launch by Wow Skin Science. So if you have missed my previous video, do check that out. In that video too, I have talked about a new launch by Wow Skin Science. I will leave the video link in the description of this video where I have talked about the SPF 35 PA++, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Wow Skin Science Matte Finish Sunscreen SPF 55 PA++. It's been a couple of days that I have started using it. The best part about this sunscreen is that it has natural sun blockers, like it has avocado oil, carrot seed extract, there's raspberry extract in it, so it's very good for your skin. And also the name says it all, that it is matte finish. It's going to be completely non-greasy. I have used it already and it is actually non-greasy, and so it's completely comfortable on your skin and it does not leave any white cast on your skin. So it is completely like not visible. Like in some sunscreen when I have used, there's been a white cast which it looks so ugly, but in this case it actually vanishes within few seconds. Once you massage it in, it gets absorbed and you cannot see any white film or white cast on your skin, which is one of the best thing about this sunscreen. Plus this is dermatologically tested, it's gluten free, there's 100% vegan, and it's cruelty free as well, and it is parabens free, silicone free, there's no mineral oil in it, it's oxide color free, and it is benzophenone free as well. So it's very safe to use for all skin types, and the price of this one is $499 along with the shelf life of 2 years. So it is one of the best sunscreens with a very high broad spectrum. It saves your skin from the harmful effect of both UVA and UVB rays. So I think you should definitely give this one a try. If you purchase any Wow Skin Science products, don't forget to scan the QR code that's present on the packaging of all the Wow Skin Science products. This will help you to get more information about the product, and you will also get to know that the product that you have purchased is authentic or not. The thing that I really liked about this sunscreen is that it's cute little bottle packaging. So it has a pump on the top, and the best part about this bottle is that if you carry it in your bag, you will not have the tension of spilling it out. Why? I'm going to show you that it has this lock on the top of the pump which needs to be pulled out, and then only you can use it. Now this is like really sturdy, so if you carry it in your bag, you will never have the tension of this one coming out. It's so sturdy. So I think this is a really good packaging that you can use at home, and you can also carry it around in your bag without the tension of spilling out. Apply sunscreen liberally at least 15 to 20 minutes before stepping out in the sun. Avoid contact with eyes. Reapply every 2 hours if you are outdoors. Repeat application every 30 to 40 minutes if you have been swimming, perspiring or towel drying. This natural sunblock gives your skin broad spectrum protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays and pollutants as well. The active ingredients rich in vitamin A, C and E prevent skin damage by neutralizing the free radicals and UV rays. SPF 55 offers standard coverage for daily use, helps to protect your skin even indoors. This sunscreen helps to protect your skin not just from the sun damage, but also keeps it safe from the harmful chemicals, as it is without any benzophenone and oxide color. It is a lightweight formulation that is non-greasy. It spreads evenly and dries quickly without clogging your pores to form a transparent film that shields your skin. It is infused with high concentration of skin-nourishing natural actives. It delivers the goodness of raspberry extract, carrot seed extract and avocado oil along with vitamin E. Here's the good news for you. Whenever you purchase any Wow Skin Science products, then do check out this code Sangeeta to get an extra discount on your purchase. And I will leave the purchase link of this SPF 55 PA++ in the description of this video. Do check it out because summers are almost here. Our skin needs that extra protection from the UVA and UVB rays. So definitely check this out, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.